Now I'd like to request Muhammad Amir Hamza, please come on the stage and deliver your speech.
I praise Allah, Honorable Chairman, respected teachers and guardians, my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'd like to introduce myself before you. My name is Amir Hamza. I'm 8 years old. I'm a student. I'm studying in class pre-hips in Rayhan International Madrasah. I want to be a Dai of Islam. I'm from Makhari, but I live in Dhaka. My father's name is Almin Hussain. He's a service holder. My mother's name is Jannatul Firdaus. She is housewife. I have one brother and no sister. Will that's all about me and grief. Now I'd like to recite a hadith in Arabic, Bengali and English before you. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم من لم يسأل الله يغضب عليه. নবী করিম সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম বলেছেন, যেই ব্যক্তি আল্লাহ তাআলার নিকট দোয়া করে না, আল্লাহ তাআলা তার উপর রাগান্বিত হন। Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he who doesn't ask Allah, he gets angry with him. So he should ask to Allah every time.
MashaAllah, Jazakumullah, we are really motivated by your beautiful lecture.